Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe to FlutterFlow. So, step 1 is setting up Stripe and FlutterFlow accounts. Ensure you have active Stripe and FlutterFlow accounts. In Stripe, get your publishable and secret API key from developers. So, navigate to your Stripe account and click on developers, choose API keys and it will take you here. Simply scroll down and under standard keys, simply choose publishable keys. That will be just right here. Click it and that will be copied to your dashboard. Now, what you'll have to simply do is enable Stripe in FlutterFlow. So go to settings, navigate to integration and choose Stripe in FlutterFlow. So click on this gear icon, choose app settings and choose Stripe under in-app purchases and subscription and choose the enable Stripe payment option. Now it will ask for a publishable key. Simply paste the key that we just copied from there. You can also add additional settings like merchant display name and make sure to only enter 2-digit ISO country code. Now hit the deploy button and you would have successfully connected your Stripe with FlutterFlow. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.